Assalamu alaikum. Hello everybody. This is Bia Ahmed from Cave Ninda. This time I would like to share with you something about bird. Do you like bird? I do. Hey, look at that. Beautiful, isn't it? Dear friends, as you know, birds made several appearances in the Quran in a variety of contexts. They were part of unforgettable stories in prophetic history, appearing with such illustrious figures such as Abraham, Joseph, Solomon, David, and Jesus, peace be upon them. What follows are some of the references made to bird and brave stories. Meanwhile, let's have a glimpse of an excerpt from the Conference of the Birds. It is based on a poem in Persian by the 12th century poet Farid-ud-Din Adir. The poem uses a journey by a group of birds led by a hoopoe as an allegory of a Sufi sheikh or master leading his pupil to enlightenment.
Wait for me!
Oh, isn't that lovely?
Oh, but this is the best one.
They've arrived!
They've arrived!
About time too.
Oh, drat! Ouch!
Come on, Owl, we're waiting for you.
Dear friends, old and new, traveling companions and comrades. As you know, we, that is, some of us,
Come on, Owl.
we've come here today because we feel, well, we feel that there's something wrong, something missing from our lives.
Wait a minute. I thought we wanted to elect a leader.
That's why I came here.
So let's get on with it. Any names?
I suggest Hoo-Poo!
Hoo-poo! Hoo-poo!
I am this mirror. Study what you see.
For I am also you, and you are me.
You 30 tired birds, no more, no less,
have traveled all this way to find success.
You flew with me, through me, under my wing, and together we won. You found your king.
And smile you shall, and be yourselves again, forever free from misery and pain.
خير أمة أخرجت للناس تأمرون بالمعروف وتنهون عن المنكر وتؤمنون بالله.
Little bird, your chirping alerts me from sleep, forgetting the beautiful dream I've to quit. Sing you now merrily surfing the sky amid the drizzle and the breeze. Then up away you fly. What a magnificent sight, captivating my eyes. Free and gay over the sky so blue. Oh, why, little bird, can't I be like you? Lend me then your head as Allah's love, one of your wings as my hope, then the other one is my fear of him. And now, fly me with you, little bird, guiding me to the Creator, the only one sustainer for you and me.